Welcome, I am Eric with Muathe.com, and in this video we are going to go back to momentum. Why? Because there's nothing as awesome as being part of a great move. Let's take a look at an example here of a previous stock pick for paid clients. Ticker symbol is SYNA. Now on this chart there's clearly, by the way, this is 8 years of monthly data, so 8 years monthly. And we can see that over a period of some years, there was sideways to down action spanning many years. But something ignited the stock. Something did from a technical standpoint before going into a multi-year bullish run, which is what we see here, multi-year bullish run. Now, of course, we all agree, if you're a bullish trader, this is what you're looking for. And by any means, by all costs, you want to avoid this depressing money-losing period. So the question becomes, how do you time this change in momentum here when things turn around? Now, there's a way to do that, or at least identify where things change from a momentum standpoint. I've been talking about this over the last 20 years. And the method is very simple. I call this the ultimate Muathe breakout. Links are going to be in the description, of course, of this very video. On this free playlist, there's 146 videos. Way too many. 1 or 2 videos in this playlist will set you good to where you'll understand the concept. The concept itself is very simple. It uses only 2 indicators. So I would encourage you to take a look at 1 or 2 of these videos in this playlist to understand this concept if you're new to the concept. So this is April of 2016. So don't hesitate to take the 30-day free trial if you're interested in getting my real-time US ETFs and crypto breakout alerts. So again, we have a couple breakouts, and a good candidate is going to give us multiple entries. So all of this after at least 1 month of rest were breakout entry levels. All of these were successful breakout entry levels. Now here, of course, we are showing things where the breakouts were successful, but of course, there were periods where the breakout was still in a sideways base. Took a couple of months before resetting. Now, all of these are valid entries, and so it does help to understand how to time these entries, and there's a need to be alerted when instruments are starting to move. One other quick observation is notice that the true momentum begins in this phase, and this is because the RSI moved above 69.1. And now also on my YouTube playlist, there's gonna be a concept. Let me find it so I can give you some value. Alright, here it is. And this is a playlist. Also, you'll find this in the description of the video. If I forget to include the link in the description, you never know. You can always go to my playlist on YouTube. It's a free playlist, and it's gonna have about 40 videos. Watching 1 or 2 of these videos is sufficient. Alright? It's too many. Now, it's going to explain to you how you can time breakouts after they have already moved and have some rest period. In other words, it's going to explain to you how you can own breakouts after some rest period based on that concept. Links are going to be in the description. And again, my official breakouts were right there and right there to paid clients. And remember, this video was mainly trying to show you where you can find instruments just as they begin to change their makeup. So instead of owning an instrument when it has no momentum, no need to own this. But by all means, we all want to be able to take advantage of a bullish phase especially when an instrument turns into leadership in the market. So it does help to know what to look for. I am Eric Muathe with Muathe.com, and I leave you, beloveds, as I found you, in the love and in the light of the one infinite Creator. Go forth rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one Creator. Adonai, my friends. Adonai. Wait, are you still here? Hello? Hello? Hey, excuse me. Are you? Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. So you're still here. Oh, okay. I get it. You love stock market. You want more. All right. Look, if you trade US stocks, if you trade US ETFs and cryptos. Now, let's agree. Cryptos have lost their momentum. How do you spell this? Cryptos, right? They've lost their momentum, so they're not breaking out. But some US stocks are beginning to break out, and some ETFs. If you want to get my next list of breakouts as they become available, because this is what I've done for 20 years. 20 years full time looking for breakouts. It's all I do all day. It's all I've done for 20 years. Why don't you take the free trial at www.muathe.com, which is my paid website. It's been a paid website for 20 years. Yeah. I've been around. And when it comes to momentum, I know what I'm looking for. And anyway, I'll stop right there. One more time, I leave you in the love and the light of the one infinite Creator. Sending you love and light. Blessings, my friend. See you when you are primed, focused, positioned for success.